To start with, I am simply putting in my concept, mobile EV charging. Battery trucks deliver on-demand power to parked electric vehicles. When I scroll down, you can see the 24 steps of the disciplined entrepreneurship process. So I'm going to click through a few of my favorites, starting with market segmentation. The AI is running right now, and it's going to choose 5 different market segments for me to consider. The first looks like it is urban commuters. The second is fleet operators. The third is event organizers. That's interesting, like large events, like a concert or something. That is interesting. Our Beachhead market is not necessarily our largest or most profitable market. It's really where we're going to go to create momentum for our business and accelerating into market share. On the left, I can see a bunch of different criteria by which I'm going to evaluate each of the possible market entrances that I could make. I am going to hang out on the particular here with its high and medium with urban commuters and commercial fleets and compare those two. And now I want to see my Beachhead TAM size. Look at this. Number of people in my largest demographic, 50 million, based on the number of urban commuters in major cities in the US. Now, the problem here is that I don't have EV owners, but look, it's already saying this 5% are EV owners. How many of those are parked at work? How many of those require charging? We've got a Beachhead market size of 375,000. We're going to assume average annual spend on charging services per user is $500. And then we're doing a TAM, which is my 375,000 times 500 to get to a market size of 188 million. So some really quick math. Then also quick math, estimating 20 to 30% is going to be my profitability for this product. We're just doing this based on typical margins. Are we not already just delighted with all I've typed in is my idea? And this is the amount of research that's taken place. Goodness, what is not amazing about the amount of information that I am quickly getting from this tool? Let's look at the business model. So let's see what it recommends. My decision-making unit, my commuters are deciding based on convenience, reliability, and cost effectiveness. Let's understand the competition. Traditional charging stations, mobile charging stations that are doing on-demand models. These are the business models that my competition is using. Now I'm going to get into pricing. So let's see. Got an assessment of our customers who are buying and across where they fit on the adoption curve. And I want to dive down. I want to see right away competition, traditional charging stations, how they charge, home charging setups, other mobile charging services. So in general, I could charge between $30 to $50 per charge. Anyone who's done LTVs know that they are just a hassle. You have to do them before you build something, but you know that they're going to be completely wrong. And you've got to do them in order to place good bets and make good investments. They just take a lot of time. So to have the AI do all of this for me, I can't even tell you how happy it makes me. I'm going to zoom on down here. $981 is my estimated LTV, my present value over 5 years. That seems like a reasonable LTV. Now, the final thing I want to do is look at my product plan. Okay, so right away, I'm going to need to build an app for service requests. And that's going to be about $50,000. I'll need 3 developers over 2 months. I love my sprints. I'm going to build real-time tracking, subscription plans, all of this. I need customer support, payment integration. So I've got a solid plan for what it's going to take for me to build everything. Of course, I can download this, estimate it, but I have a sense for what I'm going to need for my fundraising pitch also. I mean, just the framework, the power of the framework here so quickly being completed for me, and the amount of assessment and analysis, even if I go in, which I need to, and make a bunch of edits to this, I have got a core idea that within a short amount of time and virtually no effort on my part has been evaluated for me to determine, is this the right concept for me to play with? Is this the right target market? Is this the right beachhead market for me to consider? And what do I need to think about differently in order to build this business concept that I'm dreaming of bringing to life?